Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the entire manufacturing cost flow in the easiest way possible, from raw materials to work in process, then to finished goods, all the way to cost of goods sold. This is the foundation of the management accounting. So first, when we buy materials, they sit in raw materials inventory. At this stage, nothing has happened yet. No labor, no overhead, just materials waiting to be used. When production starts, materials move from raw materials into work in process. This is where the product actually begins to take shape. Now this part is super important. Direct labor always goes into work in process, never into raw materials, because labor doesn't happen when materials are sitting in storage. It only happens when workers start processing the product. A lot of students get confused because payroll accounts have the word expense in them, but here's the deal. Direct labor is a product cost. It becomes inventory first, not an expense. It only becomes an expense when the product is sold. And next, overhead, like rent, utilities, depreciation, also gets added to work in process. We created these expense accounts and shipped the cost into inventory. When production is complete, everything in work in process moves to finished goods inventory. Now the product is ready to be sold. When the product is finally sold, that is when the cost becomes an expense. We debit cost of goods sold and credit finished goods. And here are the key points you must remember. Direct labor is always work in process. Direct labor is 100% product cost. Overhead moves from expense into work in process. Raw materials never include labor, and the inventory flows raw material, work in process, finished goods, and finally cost of goods sold. Alright guys, if this video helped you understand the manufacturing cost flow in a super simple way, make sure to hit the like button. And if you want more easy accounting explanations like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I will be posting a lot more practical and fun accounting videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.